Understanding the phrase, scream of terror. Hello, dear viewers. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into the chilling phrase, scream of terror. This expression is not just about the words but the emotions and scenarios behind it. Whether you're a writer, a speaker, or someone learning English, understanding this phrase will add depth to your communication skills. So, let's unravel the mystery behind these words. A scream of terror is a loud, sharp, and often high-pitched sound made by someone who is extremely frightened or in pain. This isn't just any shout or yell. It's a powerful vocal expression loaded with fear and panic. It's the kind of scream that sends chills down your spine and tells you that something seriously frightening is happening. This phrase is often used in different contexts. 1. In literature and storytelling, writers use scream of terror to describe a character's reaction to a horrifying or shocking event. It helps set the mood and gives readers a clear picture of the fear experienced by the characters. 2. In everyday conversation, although not common in casual talks, people might use this phrase when describing a particularly frightening experience they had or heard about. 3. In news reports, journalists might use this term when reporting on events where witnesses or victims experienced extreme fear, such as during natural disasters or unfortunate incidents. To understand it better, let's see the phrase used in sentences. 1. The haunted house was filled with the screams of terror of its visitors. 2. Her scream of terror echoed through the silent night, alerting the neighbors of the danger. 3. The movie's intense scene was punctuated by the character's piercing scream of terror. A scream of terror is not just about the sound. It's about the intense emotion behind it. When someone screams in terror, it's a raw and uncontrollable response to extreme fear. It's a natural, instinctive reaction that signifies a desperate call for help or a way to express the inability to cope with a terrifying situation. Today, we unpacked the phrase, scream of terror. Remember, this phrase is much more than words. It's about the emotion and scenarios where it's used. Whether in stories, real-life experiences, or as a descriptive term in conversations, understanding this phrase helps you grasp the intensity of the situation it describes. We hope this lesson adds to your understanding of the English language and enriches your communication. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.